It's not just simply a calculation of, I'm going to retire in 3 years.
It's pudding when you think he had enough. Mom, press that button.
Where are you going?
Always on a good lap. And I can't.
He's a go home. He cares deeply about his city, about his country, about his family.
He's a very driven guy. He's a very driven guy. He is like a mensch, you know?
He's also a handsome man, which he hates me saying to him. If you're a politician and he's giving you